Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we're going to be reviewing one of the most coveted cigars in the Habanos world, in the Habanos line. Cigar that everybody wants to get their hands on, and this is a Montecristo number 2. The number 2s come in a box of 25 and I believe also in boxes of 10, don't quote me on that. And this box is from November 2023. Two things. Number one is I believe that it's a bit of a shame that Habanos don't make this cigar in a cabinet. I think these will age beautifully in a cabinet, much better than one of these boxes, which are lined with plastic. And another thing is that these cigars also come in another format, which is a petite number 2, which looks exactly like the number 2, just in a shorter version. So just in comparison, this is the size. Again, it's not half, but it's definitely significantly smaller than the regular number 2s. Let's open up this box and have a look at these cigars. And there you have it. Let's take one out and inspect it. Beautiful. Ooh, this cigar actually has some, it's not mold, but it's something that if you don't take care of and wipe off the cigars, you will have mold. I'll make a separate video about that. But yeah, these cigars have shot up in price like crazy, and there's a very big demand for them, and the price for them has just become ridiculous and unobtainable, specifically not in the UK, and even in places like Europe where the price is lower, it's still ridiculously expensive. They come for around 700 to 750 francs for a box. It's around £690, which is not something that I personally would pay for a cigar like that. I don't think it's worth it. Don't get me wrong, it's a great cigar. I just don't think it's worth the price that they're asking for it. But if you did manage to get some of these before the price increase, you're having a laugh. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.